Hello everyone, it's Fire4016, and in this video I'll be doing an unboxing review of the somewhat new Midland WR-120. I know in the box it says WR-120B, but this is technically the WR-120DSP. I just recently found out about this new generation of the WR-120, and I thought the new features it had in it are just awesome, so I figured why not get it. So I did, and haven't opened it yet. I'm really excited to. And I figured it was time for me to, at the very least, if not an entire replacement, at least get a second one. Because if you saw my last test video, it took approximately a whole 20 seconds for it to decode my other WR-120 that I currently have, the WR-120EZ. Took approximately 20 minutes to decode the EAS and then activate the siren, which, if you ask me, is ridiculous. So yeah, I'll be going over some of the features, including the new, even more specific area messaging and the siren volumes. And then maybe one of these days I'll get a video of it having its first activation, whether it be for a test or an actual weather warning. So let's open it up. See the box there. Now, I was hoping to use my my new 4K webcam, but it's malfunctioning on me for some reason, so I unfortunately cannot use that one. So, there it is. Card there. Nice looking, has not changed. And maybe you can see the bubble wrap. Maybe you can't, okay. Let's get out the bubble wrap then. What I can see on the back says DSP. Maybe now you can see it. Focus. Says it right there. WR-120 DSP. And yeah, right out of the box. Looks nice. Does not look too different, or should I say, doesn't look different at all from the WR-120EZ or pretty much any WR-120. Just the power supply, and yeah. So I'm gonna get it set up, and then we'll do the demo. All right, it's ready. Let's plug this thing in, and we'll power it on for the first time. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna turn the brightness down a little bit. Let's see. Alright, now here is one of the first cool features. Location. I'm trying to get it so that you can actually see it. Oh, alright. Alright, so that may look weird, but now we can actually see. There it is, New York, and then go to Rensselaer, and then here's the cool one. Oh, not yet, mate. I don't think. Alright, time is 4:24 p.m. Okay.
was in the mid-50s.
There, setup done. Okay. Oop. I wasn't thinking it would actually be that bright. I might want to see if I can actually switch my camera now. Alright. I was able to set it back to the 4K webcam because it just decided to work for me now. So yeah, I'll go ahead and go over the new features here so you can see them. Go in here so you can. Oh, no, you still can't see it. I thought it would fix it, but it must be brighter on this thing or something. There's the location, single, pencilier. At least, if I'm correct, this should have it. New York. Pencilier. There it is. Let me see for some reason on there, but there. Northwest, north. So now, whenever there's a warning for just one part of the county, and you're in a whole different part of the county, you won't get the warning if the warning isn't for your part of the county, which I think is a great new feature, and I think it's definitely going to be helpful. Now, alert type, alert volume. Here's the other new feature that I'm actually really happy about. So now I can actually have it on, the siren on, but now it won't be too ear-piercingly loud, because that's been a problem with me when I got my first weather radio. When I realized there was no way to turn the volume down, I was really really upset about that. So anyway, here we go. So high is about normal, medium is definitely quieter, and then low definitely definitely a very helpful feature. I'm definitely gonna have mine on low volume so I can actually handle the absolute loudness. Then that's it for like the features I can actually demonstrate right now. Then there's also the last new feature is before let's say like a watch is issued and then a warning's issued, this light would turn off and this light would turn on, and then after the warning's done and the watch is still in, this would turn off and then this would turn back on. Now both lights will stay on, so that's cool. So now basically like the light will only turn off when the actual watch or warning has like expired, which I think is definitely another great new feature. Also, you may have also noticed when the siren was going off, slightly deeper, and yeah, I have no comment on that. Yeah, it's definitely a nice new weather radio. I'm glad I got mine, and I'm planning to use this thing for as long as I can, because it's definitely a nice one. And also, I can't wait to one day see how fast this thing responds to alerts being sent out with the siren thing. I've seen videos of it going off after only 2 like headers, which is I don't remember the last time I've seen that. I don't think I've actually ever seen that. It's pretty cool stuff. But anyway, that's it for this. This is the somewhat new Midland WR-120DSP, the new generation of the WR-120.